So, you have rats in your washer? You come to the right place. Rats and mice love to sneak into washing machines and chew on the cables, especially if your machine is outside. And then when you turn it on, it starts giving those horrible error codes. So to prevent all that, here are some easy things you can do by yourself. You need to open up the front panel and the rear panel. Little mice love to crawl in here and chew on the wires. If the wires are covered in black tape, they usually avoid them. So what I do is I block these little holes on the side with aluminum foil. I crush up some foil and stick it tightly into the holes here, so nothing can get through. I also put some mothballs in there for good measure. This will prevent ants and cockroaches getting in there. I do the same with the panel at the back. Now for the opening at the bottom, I get some steel mesh and slide it into these brackets here. Usually the washer should come with a red guard, but mine didn't, so measure the size of the opening and cut the mesh and stick it in. And it's perfect. Make sure to put some extra foil into these openings here for the hose on both sides. And it's done. Rat-proof washing machine. None of these guys will ever get in there again, babe. Thanks for watching. See you later.